Hello students. Welcome to School Life YouTube channel. Today's topic is analyze the role of women and children in the industrial workforce challenges they faced. So without wasting time, let's quickly start the video and learn. Women and children in the industrial workforce challenges and exploitation. During the Industrial Revolution, women and children played a significant role in the industrial workforce. As factories and machines became more prevalent, many women and children left their homes and farms to work in these new industrial settings. However, their experiences were marked by exploitation, poor working conditions, and limited rights. Women industrial workforce. Women made up a significant portion of the industrial workforce, particularly in textile mills and other manufacturing industries. They worked long hours, often in hazardous conditions, and were paid lower wages than men. Women's work was often seen as supplemental to their domestic roles, and their labor was exploited as a means to increase family income. Challenges faced by women. 1. Low wages. Women were paid significantly lower wages than men, making it difficult for them to support themselves and their families. 2. Long hours. Women worked long hours, often exceeding 12 hours a day, in hazardous conditions. 3. Limited job opportunities. Women's job opportunities were limited, and they were often restricted to certain industries or occupations. 4. Discrimination. Women faced discrimination in the workplace, including unequal pay, promotions, and treatment. Children in the industrial workforce. Children as young as 6 years old worked in factories, mines and mills, often in hazardous conditions. They were exploited for their small size and agility, which allowed them to perform tasks in tight spaces. Children's work was often seen as a necessary evil, as families relied on their income to survive. Challenges faced by children. 1. Dangerous working conditions. Children worked in hazardous conditions, often with inadequate safety measures, leading to injuries and illnesses. 2. Long hours. Children worked long hours, often exceeding 12 hours a day, which affected their physical and mental health. 3. Lack of education. Children's work often prevented them from attending school, limiting their future opportunities. 4. Exploitation. Children were exploited by employers, who took advantage of their vulnerability and lack of rights. Consequences and reforms. The exploitation of women and children in the industrial workforce led to significant social and economic problems. In response, governments and reformers implemented laws and regulations to protect workers' rights and improve working conditions. 1. Factory Acts. Laws such as the Factory Acts in the UK regulated working hours, conditions, and age limits for women and children. 2. Labour unions. Labour unions emerged to advocate for workers' rights, including better wages, working conditions, and benefits. 3. Education and training. Efforts were made to provide education and training to women and children, enabling them to access better job opportunities. Conclusion. The role of women and children in the industrial workforce was marked by exploitation, poor working conditions, and limited rights. However, their experiences also led to significant social and economic changes, including the emergence of labor unions and reforms aimed at protecting workers' rights. Today, we recognize the importance of protecting workers' rights, promoting fair labor practices, and providing education and training opportunities to ensure that all workers can thrive in safe and healthy working environments.